How to fix the PostgreSQL connection to server at localhost port 5432 failed connection refused. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are getting the server error or the port error on your local host for PostgreSQL, here are some troubleshooting settings that you can try on. To get started, you can change the configuration file from the File Explorer. For this, you just have to go to File Explorer, then on the Program Files, then on the PostgreSQL folder, then choose the data folder, and under that, open your configure file and change the port. However, if it is already enough, you can start up with the second solution. For this, you have to open services.msc. From here, go to the PostgreSQL command line or the services page, right-click on it, and then go to its properties. From here, now set up the startup type as automatic, click on apply and then on OK. After this, you need to restart your computer and try to connect with the PostgreSQL again. This should probably work. However, if it does not, let's move on to the next solution. Open Task Manager and search for PostgreSQL, and then right-click on it and end the task. After this, start up with the connection again and it should work fine. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.